Welcome to the province of Småland in Sweden. The truck industry started here in the 1930s to support the wood industry, logging and stacking the wood. And by the 1970s, Småland truck makers were doing business across Europe and the world. You can say that building lift trucks runs in our blood. We are Konecranes lift trucks. It always has taken care, dedication and engineering to build a truck. There is a strong heart of technology thumping inside our lift trucks. That heart thumps in the rhythm of your production. Technology is also our tool to make even smarter trucks. We were the ones to bring the first emission and fuel consumption cutting hybrid reach stacker to the world. We honestly can say we are smarter where it really matters. We have a special connection and a spirit to make lift trucks. Every person who designs, builds and supports our lift trucks has given a piece of their heart to every lift truck we have delivered to our customers. Our lift trucks come with our people. We love the operating challenges our customers throw at us. The Arctic's freezing temperatures and Africa's blowing sands of deserts. The choking dust and naked flames in the melt shop. The hard and continuous flow of work at container terminals. Every lift truck we make is ready to beat those unique challenges with its heart of technology. Through the steering wheel, you can feel that the heart of your truck is fine-tuned to the beat of your working day, tuned by the people who understand the lifts you need to make every day. We make lift trucks with heart.